Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert PDF to Microsoft Excel using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. First open your PDF file, this is my PDF file, and click tools option. Here we will find export PDF, click here export PDF option and select here spreadsheet and select Microsoft Excel workbook and select this gear icon. You can convert, create a single worksheet or create worksheet for each page or create worksheet for each table. I'll create worksheet for each page. Now click OK and select export and select a destination folder. Save. Now converting. This is this 4 page Excel worksheet open and my PDF file is also 4 page. This is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.